Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be crocheting super easy unique crochet stitch for this border I've made. So we're going to crochet in this space here, this space, as you can see. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I'm going to come right here, make a slip knot. Then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and going to come right here, this space here, to make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over in the same space, 1 double crochet. Then chain 3 on top. Then you're going to tighten about this lace here. Then yarn over again. You're going to work in this space here, 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 1 double crochet after space of 2. Then on top chain 3, turn over, yarn over, and you're going to work in this space here, 5 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then chain 2, 1, 2, 1 double crochet on its own. Then on top of that 3 chain, then yarn over, and going to go right there in the space, 5 double crochet. Chain 2, 1 double crochet on its own. Then on top 3 chain, yarn over, repeat the same process, right in the space, 5 double crochet, chain 2, and on top chain 3, and yarn over, turn your work, yarn over, same space, 5 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet on its own, then on top chain 3, yarn over, and then turn over, it's in the same space, 5 double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, 1 double crochet on its own, and chain 3 on top, turn around, yarn over, again repeat the same process, 5 double crochet, chain 2, then 1 double crochet on its own, chain 3, turn around your work, yarn over, and in this space, 5 double crochet again, then chain 2 again, 1 double crochet on its own, then on top to make 3 chain, turn around, yarn over, five double crochet, and chain 2, 1 double crochet on its own, then on top chain 3. There. So this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, it's a similar one as this one. So we're going to make chain of 5 here, and then we come right in this space here and make a slip knot. Then we're going to make 5 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. It's going to be a space in which we're going to work in. Then we're going to turn around our work this while making a stitch on top of this of chain 3. Then we're going to make again the same stitch, 5 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet on its own. Then we're going to make chain 3 on top of this and 5 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet on its own, and we're going to carry on like this till we get this result. So this is very easy and a unique crochet stitch for the borders for a garment or t-shirt or a blouse. So you can use it as for your cartons, for shawls, or any crochet project you like. So please go ahead and try this. It's very easy. So till in my next video, please like, subscribe and share. Till then, bye bye.